instead of using sum.
Select column and then press Alt and equal to.
Need to flip rows to columns in Excel? Quick fix. Copy the range. Right-click where you want it. Paste special. Transpose. OK. Want it even faster? Windows. Control-C, then Control-Alt-V, E, Enter. Mac. Copy, right-click, paste special, transpose, or grab it from the
Day 3. Quick Excel date and time tricks. Need a quick date or time stamp? Watch this. Press Ctrl and semicolon for today's date. Press Ctrl-Shift-semicolon for time. To it both, press Ctrl and semicolon, then press space and press Ctrl-Shift-semicolon.
If these tips are useful, hit like and subscribe for more Excel shortcuts.
To get full names, type one example. Press Ctrl+E. Boom! All full names appear instantly. Works for emails too, no formulas, just flash fill magic. Deleting blanks one by one? That's ancient. Skip the struggle. Use this. Select the area. Press Ctrl and G. Click on Special. Then select Blanks. Blanks will be highlighted as shown below. Press Ctrl and hyphen. Boom! And just like that, all cleaned up. Double-clicking each column is slow and annoying, but there's a smarter way. Double-clicking each column is slow and annoying, but there's a smarter way. Is your Insert Pictures option disabled in Excel? Go to File, Options, then Advanced. Scroll down to Display Options for this workbook. For objects, show to all and hit OK. Now, Insert Pictures is active again.
Quick recap: AutoSum, Transpose, Date and Time, Flash Fill, Remove Blanks, AutoFit, and Fixing Insert Picture. Which one saved you the most time? Thanks for watching. For more Excel magic, hit subscribe and check out my other tutorials here.